Welcome to this guided healing sleep meditation, a simple nightly ritual to release stress and help you fall asleep fast. I want you to imagine this. You're inside a warm wooden cabin. Outside, the rain is falling softly. The moonlight rests on the window. This is your safe space. Nothing to prove, nothing to do. Have you ever felt your mind racing, even when your body is tired? You are not alone. Many of my students, people in their 40s, even their 60s, tell me this is their biggest struggle at night. But tonight, you don't have to fight with your thoughts. This is a place of healing, a gentle refuge. The sound of the rain will wash away the noise and guide you toward deep rest. And if you'd like, a place to return to every night. A gentle voice to guide you into sleep. I invite you to subscribe so you'll always know this safe cabin is waiting for you. Now, let's slow everything down with the breath. Inhale gently, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, longer this time, to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This simple rhythm is more than a technique. It's a way of telling your body you are safe. Did you know that when the exhale is longer than the inhale, your nervous system receives a signal to soften, to rest? So as you breathe in, imagine drawing in healing light. And as you breathe out, picture yourself releasing the weight of the day. I often remind my students, the breath is the oldest friend you carry. It never leaves you. And each time you return to it, especially at night, it leads you gently toward calm, toward sleep, toward deep rest. So try it again with me now. Inhale, I breathe in light. Exhale, I breathe out pain. Feel that. The body softening. The mind beginning to settle. This is the doorway into healing. Now, as the breath finds its rhythm, let's bring gentle awareness to the body. Start at the crown of your head. Notice the forehead softening, the eyes resting back in their sockets. Have you ever realized how much tension we carry here, even in sleep? Let the jaw unclench, the tongue relax. Feel the neck releasing, as if a gentle hand is lifting the weight you've been holding. Move down through the shoulders, often the heaviest place of all. A student once told me, It felt like I'd been carrying everyone else's worries on my back. Maybe you know that feeling too. Tonight, I want you to imagine setting that burden down. Now the arms grow heavy, the hands resting open, as if they too are ready to let go. The chest rises and falls, softer, freer. With each exhale, scan lower, through the belly, the hips, the legs. Every part of you is softening. Every part of you is healing. By the time you reach your feet, notice how the whole body feels, just a little lighter, a little more at peace. This is your body remembering how to rest. Now, I'd like you to imagine yourself stepping outside the cabin. The rain has passed, the air is cool, carrying the gentle scent of pine. In front of you, a hidden garden glows softly under the moonlight. Take a slow breath in, 4 counts, and step forward. Exhale to 6, and feel the earth welcoming you. The path beneath your feet is soft, lined with moss that seems to hold you gently. Around you, tall trees shimmer with green light along their branches. Every leaf, every blade of grass carries a glow, as though the whole garden is alive with healing. With each inhale, draw in that green light, the color of renewal. With each exhale, imagine golden light spreading through your body, warming, softening, restoring. As you continue walking, notice a small stream winding through the garden. The water sparkles like liquid silver. Pause for a moment. Imagine dipping your hand in. Cool, refreshing, cleansing. Let the stream wash away the remnants of worry. I am healing. I am calm. Keep moving along the path. A cluster of flowers opens as you pass white, violet, deep blue. Their fragrance reminds you of something ancient, a piece you once knew as a child. Breathe it in. Let that memory return. I am whole. I am safe. Now you come to a wide oak tree. Its trunk glows with golden veins of light. Place your hand on the bark. Feel the strength, the steadiness. Imagine that steadiness flowing into your spine, into your heart. I am strong enough to heal. I am ready for rest. Step by step, breath by breath, the garden receives you. And the more you walk, the more you realize the garden is not outside you. It is within you. Its light, its calm, its strength, they are reflections of your own healing. So stay here a little longer. Breathe in green light. Exhale golden light. Let the colors soak into you until you feel the garden itself has become part of your body, part of your rest. Now, let the garden fade gently into the background. All you need to carry forward are the words. Simple words, but powerful. I'll speak them slowly. You can repeat them softly in your mind, or simply let them wash over you, like waves meeting the shore. I am healing. Feel how those words land in your body, as though each cell is listening. One of my students once said, "When I finally believed this, even for a moment, my pain felt less sharp." Perhaps you'll notice that too. I am whole. Wholeness doesn't mean perfect. It means nothing is missing. Every experience, every scar, every breath, they all belong to the story of you. I am safe. Let that settle in. The body cannot rest until it feels safe. Tonight, this space, this breath, is your safety. I am calm. Notice the breath easing, the muscles softening. Imagine calm like a gentle tide, moving in, moving out. Have you ever stood by the ocean, letting the rhythm carry you? That same rhythm is in you now. I am enough. These words can be the hardest to accept. But hear them again, I am enough. As you are, in this moment, without doing or proving a single thing, you are enough. I am ready for rest. Let those words close the circle. Everything you've breathed, everything you've released, everything you've affirmed has prepared you for this. So linger here with these truths. Repeat them in your heart if you wish. I am healing. I am whole. I am safe. I am calm. I am enough. I am ready for rest. Each time you breathe them in, imagine they sink deeper. Not just into the mind, but into the body. Into the very place where healing happens without effort. In sleep. And now, let the affirmations fade, like gentle echoes dissolving into the night. There is nothing more to repeat, nothing more to hold on to. I want you to imagine the light of the garden still around you, the soft green of renewal, the warm gold of peace. With each breath, the light grows softer, wider, until it blends with the night sky itself. You are no longer walking in the garden. You are resting inside it. And the garden is resting inside you. In this stillness, allow 3 simple truths to carry you deeper. I am light. I am healing. I am rest. Feel how each word lands, not as something to chase, but as something already true. As though your very breath is whispering it for you. Let the body sink a little heavier into the bed. Let the thoughts drift like faint clouds across a wide sky. Nothing to fix, nothing to solve. Just the quiet embrace of rest. Tonight, you are light. Tonight, you are healing. Tonight, you are rest. And now, there is nothing more you need to do. Your body knows the way to rest. Your breath is calm, steady, true. May your sleep restore you. May your healing continue through the night. And may you wake renewed, lighter, and at peace. This healing sleep meditation will remain here for you. A safe place you can always return to whenever you need calm. The garden, the light, the cabin. They will wait here, quietly. But for now, allow yourself to drift deeper. Let the music hold you. Let the night carry you. Good night, my friend. Good night.